Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have a future sneak peek. Well, actually I think the brand is being confirmed, but so here we go. We just don't know which box and which month it's going to be coming, but it's a-coming. So guys, if you're excited for this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing spoilers for the June Boxy Luxe and BoxyCharm base box. Well, thank you so much, Amanda Beach. Amanda says I'm first. Yeah, you got it, girl. You're really quick on that bell. And I really appreciate you having your notifications on and coming and watching the video, girl. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that it did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and look at this. This is the brand, is it Keneo Beauty. I don't know exactly how to say that. Now I found it on Instagram at Boxy Preview, so I'm assuming either somebody's told her about it. But anyways, they found this on actually this brand's website, and it says the items featured that are going to be featured in BoxyCharm, they're not going to have the mirror, but it did show this. It showed the blush and shine kit, and as well as the set and define kit. So again, this brand is confirmed to be coming to Boxy, but again, we don't know which month it's coming or actually which box these are going to show up in. But of course, as soon as I find out, I'll let you guys know. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop, but it looks really interesting. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm quite excited to see what everybody thinks about these products. I mean, they look amazing. I love the palettes, so I just can't wait to see what everybody thinks of them. And as you know, BoxyCharm is always linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Lynn Joseph. Lynn says, hey, Mandy. Well, hey, Lynn. Girl, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying busy, watching a lot of YouTube. Well, you know what I mean. Anyways, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine, you'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.